Hello everyone, it's day 9 today and we are going to be heading to the Platinum Fashion Mall. Harry needs to get a little screwdriver for his new Rolex and then he's going to try to see if he can maybe return a football t-shirt and get a new one because the size wasn't quite right, even though it was the same size as the other one that he bought. New man. How did you like it? Oh, yeah.
That's alright. Oh, so nice. So nice getting someone else to do it for me.
Adika. This is the hardest decision, there's so much to choose from and it all looks and sounds amazing. Gone for a pineapple pina colada and the lemon meringue cheesecake, and Harry's getting some chicken tenders and the very, very chocolatey cheesecake.
Good. I mean, happy, obviously, but that's crazy.
We're both so full.
Thank you so much. Thank you much. Have a good one. Yeah, thank you so much.
What have we just done?
Got a new one. This one's a real one.